Innovation is a key theme at the ITT Hub, and John's conversation with Alistair Gough from Sunswap is no exception to that. We see that they're taking diesel from refrigeration. They are making things cool with the sun and making it all electric. Check it out.
I'm joined by Alistair Gough from Sunswap. Tell us what's Sunswap, Alistair?
Sunswap, we are a new manufacturer of a transport refrigeration system, but the difference with us compared to what's previously been on the market is we specialise in battery technology. So rather than the traditional diesel systems, we've developed a battery and solar powered transport refrigeration system.
So this is the trailer that goes onto the truck, which has solar panels on it?
Correct, yeah. So the thing about our system is actually we don't manufacture the trailer, we're trailer agnostic, so whoever the brand or the manufacturer is, our system will fit onto it. We've developed the refrigeration unit that sits on the front of it, and that basically keeps whatever the produce is inside at the right temperature. So whether it's frozen, chilled, or in the case of pharmaceuticals, it will be heated.
And you're moving huge quantities of product.
Yep.
Is it up to 44 tons?
Yeah, we can actually even do, so we can do the double-decker systems, or so double-decker trailers all the way down to urban.
So it's a bespoke system that you can put in for each trailer and operator?
Correct, yeah. So one of the unique elements of our system, aside from being the first purpose-built electric unit on the market, is that it's very configurable. So one of the key elements of that are the batteries, because A, they're expensive, and B, they're heavy. So why charge customers for a battery they don't need? So the analogy we like to use is if you're moving ice cream in Malaga at -25 or milk at 2 degrees in Scotland, you need very different power requirements. So we can design the system to every operator's needs, and then other things such as chargers, the amount of solar panels that they have as well. So it's really fit for their use case.
And you say that it's unique and the first.
Yep.
Why is it that it's the first? The logic is clear.
Yeah.
So how has it taken this long to develop something like this?
I'm not sure why the other manufacturers haven't moved away from diesel quicker, but they're starting to do that, which is fantastic, because no business will ever introduce new technology on their own. But the interesting thing about where our business came from is the founders originally started looking at other technology forms such as liquid nitrogen, but then found that wasn't commercially viable, so then very quickly moved over to battery and solar technology. But the thing that needed to happen is building the system from scratch and not being held back by legacy technology, so that you could really, again, design it for purpose, so that it could be a viable alternative and basically do everything that a diesel unit does and operate exactly the same, but rather than fill it with high polluting diesel that we want to get away from, you just charge it.
So there's a clear case for being at the ITT Hub. What made you say, yep, that's where we need to be?
A couple of things really. I think first of all the fact that the TCS&D magazine have partnered with the ITT Hub, so therefore we've got a real focus on our specific market, which is the cold chain. But then really you've got the draw of the really sexy, exciting equipment like the vans, the trailers, the huge lorries over there. That's the exciting, that you the 10-year-olds of us that want to come see, and then that then draws people into the cold chain and what we hope is also exciting, innovative technology. So it's a combination of the right partners, the right people that you want to showcase with, as well as then obviously the potential customers that come through the door. And
have you found that network is building from this show?
Most certainly. So last time was the first time we ever showcased our product to the world. So we were the new kids on the block, the new innovation. Everyone was very excited. So we were inundated with people. And this year we've now transitioned into being part of actually the industry. So what was really nice this time is actually we had customers that had planned to come and see us, and it enabled us to also meet with partners from around the industry that will really support this type of technology being adopted as well.
You must be massively excited at the opportunity here.
Really, yeah. I think personally for me there's some really interesting outcomes that can come from this. So first of all, look, we're trying to change an industry that's been tied to using diesel forever, but they really want to move away from it. But like with everything new, they need support in doing so. So this is a really good way of just showcasing it, because seeing is believing, right? So you can showcase it to them and then get rid of any fears that they might have about this new technology, and support their transition away from diesel. So yeah, the fact that we're introducing a new technology that's never been seen before, but it's actually being really well received, is a really exciting thing to be a part of.
Alistair, wish you well with that.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alistair Gough from Sunswap.